Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and we just recently passed over 4,000 subscribers. So to celebrate that, I'm going to give away this Casio G-Shock. This is the classic G-Shock, the DW5600E-1V. It's not solar, it's just battery powered, but yeah, it'll last a very long time, and it's a quality watch. You'll have to set the day and date. I bought this from Amazon, brand new. The day and date is off, but anyway, not a big deal to change that. So you have time, of course, day, date, alarm function, which I've never used on one of these, timer, countdown timer, and then you have the stopwatch. Of course, you have a backlight on here. So yeah, nice watch. I think everyone should have a G-Shock in their collection, or at least some kind of digital watch, but G-Shock is a nice one to have. So that's for 4,000 subscribers, and then for 5,000 subscribers, I already have a watch to give away. That's this Casio Pro Trek. This was kindly donated in to me, to the channel, to give away. So we'll give this away for 5,000 subscribers. And I actually have another item here. I think I'll give this away. Well, I'll give these away. This is an AliExpress or eBay combi bracelet clone, whatever you want to call it. It's not actually made by Casio, so I don't know how they have the G-Shock branding on there, but I'll give this away. You can actually use this on this G-Shock, any square. Oops, sorry, off the screen there. Any square G-Shock you can use this on. Actually, I think you can use this on the Casio as well. I put an actual combi bracelet on my Casio, so that will work. And this one, I don't know what this is for. I think I bought this from someone, or I don't know how I came across getting this one, but anyway, I'll just throw this in. This should fit some Casio digital watch. I don't really know, but yeah, so maybe we'll do this for 4,500. So just look at what's upcoming here. But I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. Appreciate your support, sharing and liking, and especially leaving the comments. I really appreciate hearing your thoughts on the watches that I present on this channel. So rules for the giveaway, very simple. Just number one, be a subscriber. Two, comment, because I'll do a random comment picker to pick the winner of this watch, and I'll ship it out to you for free. You don't have to pay for anything. And I don't know if we'll get any of the scammer comments or not, but I won't ask you for a payment or any of that kind of stuff. I don't use Telegram or whatever it is that they ask you to do. I don't do any of that. I'll email you, or let's see, I'll pick the winner in another video, and then just send me an email, and then we'll talk from there. So with all that said, I'll also leave in the description the rules. Also, if you can follow me on Instagram, I really appreciate that too, trying to build that up a little bit as well. So still have a lot of watches here to talk about in future videos, so I'll keep providing the content. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.